Welcome to our guide on understanding the language features of effective academic lectures. As international teaching assistants, using specific language techniques is crucial for effective communication. These techniques include clarity, emphasis, audience engagement, and transitions. By mastering these, you can effectively structure your message and connect with students. Let's explore these features in detail. Using clear and straightforward language is essential for conveying complex ideas. Avoiding jargon or explaining it can make concepts more accessible. For example, instead of saying, "The methodology was implemented to ascertain causality," try, "We used this method to find the cause of the results." Simplifying language involves choosing common terms, defining unfamiliar words, and using shorter sentences. This approach helps students grasp complex information easily. Emphasizing key points can be achieved through repetition or signposting phrases like, "The main point is," or "to summarize." For instance, the main point here is that understanding genre improves communication. Let's look at why that matters. Highlighting key ideas by repeating or rephrasing them, especially for challenging concepts, is effective. Using signposts can guide students' attention to important information. Rhetorical questions are a great tool to invite students to think and keep them engaged. They do not require immediate answers, but stimulate curiosity. For example, how can we make sure students understand this concept? Let's explore some strategies. Incorporating rhetorical questions encourages students to actively think about the lecture content. This technique can make your lectures more interactive and engaging. Examples and analogies help make abstract concepts more relatable and easier to understand. They connect new ideas to familiar ones. For instance, when explaining a complex scientific concept, you might say, "Think of it like a recipe. Each ingredient represents a different variable that affects the outcome." Using relevant examples from students' fields of study or everyday life enhances comprehension. This approach makes your lectures more relatable. Smooth transitions are crucial for helping students follow the flow of ideas. They are especially important when moving between sections or introducing new topics. For example, now that we've covered the basics of articulation, let's look at common challenges ITAs face. Using phrases like "next," "moving on," or "in addition" helps maintain a logical flow. This ensures students can keep track of the lecture structure. In conclusion, using clear language, emphasizing key points, engaging students, and creating flow with transitions are vital. These techniques make your lectures both informative and accessible. Practicing these features will enhance your ability to deliver effective lectures. Remember, effective communication is key to successful teaching. Thank you for your dedication to improving your teaching skills. Thank you for watching our guide on effective lecturing techniques. We hope you found these tips helpful in improving your teaching skills. Subscribe for more insights on effective lecturing and communication skills.